All right, good morning, everyone. We're going to work on the Impossible Arms project and using the Impossible E project as as kind of guide. We're going to start on the side with the most arms and then work our way back to the side with the least amount of arms. So that means we're going to start on the left side and then work our way back to the right side, right? And the way we have to start, we'll start with a vertical line here, and then we have to break it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 segments. So let's do that. Start with a nice big long segment here. And we'll put a ray on B. And let me open it up this way. And then we'll put a point on this, like that. Now I need to make 8 different circles going up that ray, okay? We'll use the compass tool for that. My first circle will be on B. And then my second circle will be on D. And then make the intersection. Well, I don't want to keep making it smaller. So all right, this is 3 circles. That's 4. Here is 5. There's 6. And this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that last one is 8. All right, I need to make my intersection. Now, remember, I can make those circles as big or as small as I want. So if I want to make this, if I want to move this, move point D, and that changes the size of each of those circles, totally fine, okay? If I start with L to A, and then make parallel lines that are parallel to LA, but they go through each point, then when we're splitting AB, we're splitting into 8 separate but equal segments coming all the way up, right? So I'll keep making parallel lines. All the way through this. I don't want it to shrink on me though. Okay. Okay, and then I can mark my intersections. Let's move, intersect. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so I can make sure I get this exact intersection. There we go. Okay. Crap. Okay, there we go. There are my intersections. Okay, so now let's hide the ray. We'll hide all these parallel lines. We'll hide all the circles, all the points on the ray, and even that vertical line. Okay, so let's hide object. And we'll hide all these guys. Some of the circles. And then all the points on the ray. Okay. Now I don't know why point J is still out there. Somehow I put another point on there and that made J up here. Anyways, okay, so let's continue with this. So I'm gonna start by making my the boxes on the left-hand side, the polygons on the left-hand side. Start with a segment. And we'll go every other. And then we'll have a segment kicking off a 1, and we'll make it go horizontal. And parallel lines kicking out this way.
I'm gonna take the garbage out, Lottie, because it's supposed to rain tonight, and I want to.
Okay. And then we'll do segments that go down diagonally. Pretty much down at 45 degrees. So I'll put my point right here. And I will make my segments go down in this fashion. And so my parallel lines are all my parallel lines like this. Okay, so then I need to mark my intersections for those polygons. Okay, and so now I need to make my polygons. I have all my points for my polygons. Now I need to make those polygons. Okay, so let's hide the lines here. All right. So segments. Okay. So I have my far left-hand side. Now I just need to, and I have all my horizontal lines done. Now I just need to decide how long to make this. And I guess I'll just use this T here. And I will make it like so. All right, so let's go parallel line that goes through T and mark the intersection. Okay. So I can hide this guy and hide this guy. So let's even hide the next line. Okay, so because I have my points, I can create my what are they called? My I can create my polygons because I have my points. But this line right here, I want to show this. All right. Let's go parallel to these lines, but they go through here and parallel to these, but they go through here. Okay, so I'll mark my intersection. And parallel to, but parallel to here, but it goes through this. There I can mark my intersection. And now we can hide these lines. So let's hide this one and hide this one. And we can make our line segments. And those vertical line segments, I'm just going to have to make at the end once I've gone through and made all of my my legs here or arms. I'm calling this one Impossible Arms. We're going to do one soon that's called Impossible Legs. Okay, so there's my first leg. Let's now go from here to here. And then this thing comes out. And so I'll mark my next intersection as this one. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
All right, mark my intersection right here. And it must be this one and this one. And so let's hide this diagonal. And we'll hide the next two horizontal lines. And so we can make our line segment from Z to H1 and A1 to J1, and then J1 to K1 and H1 to I1, and then P to A1, and let's mark our intersections. Okay, so now I can hide all those horizontal lines and all those vertical lines too. So let's hide all these lines. And once they're all hidden, I can draw my line segments. Even the ones that were missing. Oh, segment. Okay, and let's rewatch the video to see if there's any shading that we need to do on this.
Feel the magic in the air, I love it in my ale, 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 ale. Feel the magic in the air, I love it in my ale, 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 ale. Feel the magic in the air. Magic system, red one, so key.
Okay, so I don't see any shading here, which means that we're not going to need to shade this, but if you want to print it out and color it, then I will give 2 points extra credit for that. So if we're going to color it, then that means hide the labels and the points. All right. So hide the object, and we'll pick all the points here. So that when we print it out, it's nice straight lines, and all the labels get hidden with this. Okay. Okay, so I think that'll be good. All right, very nice. So it's a good looking design here, and I will save it. We're calling it Impossible Arms. And then here's my share link. And I could put that in the template and go and turn that in. All right. Thank you much. Enjoy. Have fun with it. All right.